Hello everyone. In the previous video, we have solved question based on the simple equation. In this video, we are going to solve question based on the multi-step equations. Now let's look at the questions. We have these 7 questions, out of which these 3 questions are important. We will solve this question using 2 methods. Now starting with the first question. In this question, we have negative 2x, negative 10x, negative 12 equals 24. Negative 2x and negative 10x are like terms. So we will add these like terms and we will get negative 12x. Negative 12 equals 24. Now to separate x, we will add 12 both the side. From left, 12 get cancel out, and on right side, it get add with 24 and get 36. So we get negative 12x equals 36. Now to separate the variable x, we will divide negative 12 both the sides. So on left side, negative 12x get cancel out, and on the right side, negative 12 cancel 36 with negative 3. So we get x equals negative 3. For the first question, we will get value of x as negative 3. Now in second question, the equation is 21 equals x over 2 negative 11. So to separate the variable x, we will first add 11 both the side. On the left side, we get positive 32. And on the right side, the 11 get cancelled out. So we only left with x over 2. Now to separate x, we will multiply both sides with 2. So we get 64 on the left side. So our x equals 64. Now in third question, we have 4t plus 3 parenthesis 2 negative t equals 5. So in this equation, we will first open this parenthesis. So we get 4t plus 6 minus 3t. We will multiply this 3 with both the term inside the parenthesis. Now we will operate these like terms. So 4t negative 3t equals t. Then we have positive 6 equals 5. Now we subtract 6 from both the side. On left side, 6 get cancelled out. So we only have t, and on the right side, we get negative 1. So the value of t is equals negative 1. Now for the fourth question, we have 36 equals 13x minus 4x. On the right side, we have like terms. After operating this term, we get 9x. And on the left side, we have 36 as it is. Now we will divide 9 both the side to separate x. So on the right side, 9 got cancelled out. And on the left side, 9 cancel 36 with 4. So we get 4 equals x. So the value of x is 4. Now coming to the fifth question. In this question, we will open both the parentheses. Multiply 5 to both the terms inside the parenthesis, and similarly we will multiply 2 to both the terms inside the parenthesis. So we will get 5y plus 45 negative 2 plus 2y. We have 2 negative here, that's why we are getting positive here, equals 1. Now 5y and 2y are like terms, so we will add them. So we get 7y. Then 45 and 2 are constants, so we will subtract them. So we get plus 43 equals 1. Now we will subtract 43 both the sides. So on left side, 43 can cancel out, and on the right side we will get negative 42, and on left side we only have 7y. Now to separate the variable, we will divide 7 both the sides. On left side, 7 get cancelled out, and on right side, 7 cancel negative 42 to negative 6. So we get y equals negative 6. Now this is the sixth question. 2 times parenthesis 1 minus x plus 3 equals negative 8. Now we can solve this question using 2 methods. In method 1, we will first open this parenthesis. So we get 2 minus 2 times x plus 3 equals negative 8. Now we will add these like terms. So we get negative 2x plus 5 equals negative 8. Now we will subtract 5 from both the side. So on left side 5 get cancelled out, and on right side we add them and get negative 13. So we get negative 2x equals negative 13. Now to separate the value of x, we will divide both the side by negative 2. On left side, negative 2 get cancelled out with negative 2. And on the right side, the negative negative cancel out, and we get x equals 13 over 2. So the value of x is 13 over 2. Now we will solve using second method. Now write the equation 2 times parenthesis 1 minus x plus 3 equals negative 8. Now in this method, we will first subtract 3 from both the sides. So on left side, 3 get cancelled out, and on right side, we get negative 11. And on left side, we had 2 parenthesis 1 minus x. Now we will open this parenthesis, and we get 2 negative 2x equals negative 11. Now we will subtract 2 from both the sides. So on left side 2 get cancelled out, and on right side we get negative 30, and on left side we get negative 2x. Now we will divide negative 2 both the sides, and on left side negative 2 negative 2 cancel out, and on right side negative negative 2 cancel out. So we get x equals 13 over 2. Both the methods have same answer, but the method one is shortest. Now we have seventh question. 2 minus 5 times x plus 3 plus 8 times x plus 3 equals 18. We will solve this question using two methods. We will subtract 2 from both sides. So on the left side, 2 get cancelled out. So we have negative 5 times x plus 3 plus 8 times x plus 3 equals 16. Now we will open this parenthesis, so we get negative 5x, then negative 15 plus 8x plus 24 equals 16. Now we will operate these like terms and these two like terms. So from these two we will get 3x, and from these two we will get 9, and because 24 is the largest number, so we get positive sign here, and equals 16. Now we will subtract 9 from both the sides. On left side 9 get cancelled out, and on right side we get positive 7. So we get 3x equals positive 7. Now dividing 3 both the sides, we get x equals 7 over 3. Now we will use method 2. In second method, after subtracting 2 from both the sides, we get a negative 5 x plus 3 plus 8 times x plus 3 equals 16. In this method, we will not open this parenthesis. Inside the parenthesis, we have same terms. So we will operate these two terms directly. So we get negative 5 plus 8 times x plus 3 equals 16. Now we get 3 times x plus 3 equals 16. Now we will open this parenthesis and we get 3x, then positive 9 equals 16. Now we will subtract 9 from both the sides. On left side 9 get cancelled out, so we get 3x, and on right side we get 7. So we get 3x equals 7. Now dividing 3 both the sides. Now on left side 3 cancel out, and we get x equals 7 by 3. In both methods we get same answer, but the method 2 is shortest. Thank you for watching the video.